A British Labour MP, Dawn Butler, is pulled out of the upcoming First Ladies of African Impact and Resilience Flare Summit in London after learning she was scheduled to appear alongside Zimbabwe's First Lady Auxillia mnangagwa. Zvipere musha zvinhu zvinoseresa kwazvo ndakuti aiwa eLabour MP anowithdrawa kuatenda this flare summit after anzwa kuti aiwa Auxillia mnangagwa vachanga varimo in attendance. Don't subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Mnangagwa is currently under US sanctions, having been designated by the US Treasury Department in March 2024 under the Global Magnitsky Act, which targets individuals accused of corruption or human rights violations. The first lady's inclusion in the summit, scheduled for 17 to 18 June at the Leonardo Royal Hotel in London, has drawn criticism from some Zimbabwean activists in the UK. They have questioned her role in the event, citing allegations made in an Al Jazeera investigation titled Gold Mafia, which linked her to alleged gold and diamond smuggling networks. The summit aims to promote female leadership and investment across Africa, but mnangagwa's participation has sparked controversy, with activists accusing her of undermining the very values the event seeks to celebrate. Some have announced plans to protest outside the venue. Butler's withdrawal is also led to questions over the involvement of other British politicians listed as participants, including Labour MP Diane Abbott and Conservative PA Baroness Sandeep Verma. Neither has publicly commented on the matter so far. In a statement, Butler's office said, "We have never agreed to speaking at this event, so are rightly concerned that Dawn is being advertised as a speaker at this summit. We have contacted the organizers and asked them to remove her name from their program immediately." Domashkwar kuda panguva ine pamusoro pa Auxillia mnangagwa's attendance with the flare summit. Tona ayo bangoma Labour MPs panguva ine withdraw vachiti hapana kucelebrate kwatinga tichiita. Tiona kuti kune vamwe vanhu vanoviolate the same rights, the same human rights varimo in presence. Zviudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Ndakoma section medu zvamafungiro enyu. Don't subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.